अस्सलाम वालेकुम। एंजाइम्स की मोस्ट रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूज़ की फर्स्ट वीडियो है, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। ये कुछ एमसीक्यूज़ मुख्तलिफ पेपर से लिए गए हैं। फर्स्ट डिस्कवर्ड एंजाइम वाज, सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज यूरिएज। Which enzyme is used in making baby food? The answer is trypsin. Enzyme obtained from ruminant stomach for cheese making. Correct answer is renin. Which enzymes is used by biscuit makers to lower protein level in flour? So the correct option is protease enzyme. अब आते हैं MCQ number 1. An enzyme acts by, correct option is C, reducing the energy of activation. MCQ number 2. The term enzyme was coined by option A, Kohni. MCQ number 3. The proteinaceous nature of enzymes was discovered by option C, Somner. MCQ number 4. The first enzyme isolated from seeds of jack bean was, jack bean is white bean. So the correct option for this MCQ is B, urease. MCQ number 5. Which enzyme is not proteinaceous? Correct option is B, ribozyme. Ribozyme is RNA enzyme. MCQ number 6. A ribozyme enzyme was discovered by, correct option is D, Thomas II Sidney Altman. MCQ number 7. Which of the following statements are true for the enzyme? Correct option is A, all enzymes are proteins except ribozyme. MCQ number 8. Enzymes are the polymers of, correct option is C, amino acids. MCQ number 9. Enzymes, vitamins and hormones have one thing in common. Correct option is C, all aid in regulating metabolism. Thank you. इस सीरीज़ की मज़ीद वीडियोज़ देखने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।